Hello fan collectors, this is a video of my 52-inch white and polished brass Emerson 1895 series, and you might recognize this style from the video I did of the antique brass one you see over there. And today we will focus on this one. Here, I'll turn on the light. It's got a nice spotlight kit. Well, I added it. I got this at Habitat last week, and it had a similar light kit, albeit white, but I think the polished brass looked better on it since it would complement the polished brass accents a little better, I think. And for those who do not know, this is one of my favorite ceiling fans of all time, the 1895 series, and no, this is not the one that I got new in the box in 2005. It was new old stock from the True Value Hardware south of my house. I got a Chesterfield Brown version new in the box as well. I got that one before this, but anyway, I'll show you the canopy. It's one of the later 1895s. Blade arm. It's got the more curved at the edges, pointed tip, not the sharp Lasco type in the earlier models. Okay, I'll turn it on for you. Start out on low. It moves a ton of air on high, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Now it does make a buzzing sound from time to time. I don't know what it is, if it's the capacitor or whatnot, but if any of you know, please don't hesitate to tell me. Leave a comment. Okay, medium. Listen to that. Still a great fan though. I like it. And now we'll turn it on high. More power! Can't help but do my Tim Allen impression, folks, but she's on high now. Now that is a lot of air. Time to power down. I just think these 1895s look cool with the bullet light kit that's on it. This thing runs like a charm. And I think these are one of the best ceiling fans ever built, like next to the Hunter original, but I think Emerson made this model to knock it off somewhat. That's just my theory, but this has the Emerson KB55 motor, like the one I showed you in another video. Now the antique brass runs a wee bit better than this one, but anyway, I think it's fixable. Okay, folks, this concludes our broadcast day, and thank you for watching. More to come.